Google Pixel 8 Pro unboxing. Now this is the retail version. I ordered this right after the event Google had last week. So this is the box that it comes in. Hashtag teampixel. And yeah, I did get this in the sky colorway. Now based on the pictures, based on the other videos that I've seen, this is a pretty cool looking color. Looks pretty cool on the box. I cannot wait to open this right now and see it in person for the first time. Now I do love how boxes nowadays, they have these tabs. You no longer need an unboxing knife. And let's go. Open this up. Wow. Now I have to say, it looks good in videos, in pictures. This looks even better in person. What comes in the box? You get your little adapter here for transferring stuff. And of course right here you get your USB-C to C cable. And in here is your documentation and stuff, which we don't really need to see. I am digging this. Fingerprint scanner, volume up and down, power. That's your SIM. USB-C. Take that off and we are greeted with a 6.7-inch LTPO front display here. And this can now get up to 2400 nits of brightness, which is hella bright. All right, I'm gonna let that boot up. Front-facing camera right there, which can now be used to unlock your banking apps, etc. Interesting feature Google added this year. Temperature sensor, right? On this side of the phone, you have your power button and your volume rocker. And I have to say, first impressions, the feel in the hand, this feels like a premium device. Feels well constructed. I'm liking it. In the first few minutes I have it in my hand. And the back here, let me get the light to hit it. It is a matte finish, so it should do a little bit better of a job masking your oily fingers. Welcome to your Pixel. Let's get started. Set up using another device. We are not gonna do that right now, so I'm gonna click on skip. I'm gonna go ahead and connect to my Wi-Fi. On the bottom here, you have your USB-C and speakers. Very nice. Checking network info. Checking info. Checking info again. Sign in. We're gonna skip this for now. I just wanna get into the phone real quick. Connect to mobile network. I do not have a SIM here right now, so I'm gonna hit skip. Skip setting up your mobile network. Yeah, we'll skip for now anyway. Set up fingerprint unlock. I'm gonna check out the fingerprint scanner. This is an optical scanner in this phone. Let's go ahead and hit start. Fingerprint added. Next. Swipe up to go home. And we are in. Of course, this being a Pixel, it comes fresh out of the box with Android 14. And we'll take a look at the storage. Now this is the 128GB model. And fresh, brand new out of the box, the system uses 4.1 gigs. So that leaves you with over 120 gigs to use. Very nice. So we'll go ahead and test out the camera right now. Location, we're not gonna allow that. Take some pictures here of what's on my unboxing table. And we do have last year's Pixel 7 Pro here on the table. Take a picture of that. This is the 1X. Take a picture of that. This is the 2X. Take a picture of that. And this is the 5X right into the camera lens. I'm gonna put that in the video. Let me know if the quality. I'm just gonna take a quick video right here. All right, this is a sample video from the new Pixel 8 Pro. All right, this is a sample video from the new Pixel 8 Pro. There's the Pixel 8, which I will unbox shortly. Here's the Pixel 7 Pro, S23 Ultra, Pixel 8 Pro box. Few iPhones there. That's my lens cap. Here's the rest of the box of the Pixel 8 Pro. So yeah, just a real quick video here. Let me know if the quality, let me know if the sound also. Peace out. Quick little video right there. Compare it real quick to last year's Pixel 7 Pro. Pretty much look identical here. Now I will have to say, the flat glass of the Pixel 8, I think I would much rather prefer that than the curved edges here on the 7 Pro. And also the feel in the hand, the Pixel 8 feels a little bit more secure to hold because of its flat edges now and the flat display. You have a little bit more surface area to hold onto, whereas the Pixel 7 Pro, due to its curved glass, a little bit more sharp in the edges, not as comfortable to hold. Pixel 8 Pro feels way better in the hand. So let me know in the comments below what you want me to do with a Google Pixel 8 Pro. Speed tests, durability tests, and a camera test versus last year's Pixel 7 Pro versus the S23 Ultra versus the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.